I hope that all women and my female colleagues and my students, they have International Women's Day every day in their life. So they are valued by their friends, family, every day of their lives, not only on International Women's Day.
Oh, happy International Women's Day, and I just wish that my students especially, like they will have the confidence to step up and be it regardless of like their age, gender, that everybody is equal and that they are capable of like great things if they believe and have the confidence in themselves.
Okay, in the school in fact all of us, most of us, it's Angela. She's very, very inspirational, and frankly speaking, because of her, we are still going on strong. And in fact, all the colleagues out here, we all are working very hard. We have not given up yet.
One of the women that I always look up to and very close to me is my mother-in-law. It's actually bringing me a little bit emotional because she just passed away. Yes, but she's a very strong woman, very successful career woman, that she has a lot of followers and so many people love her. She was working as the leader in the Union of Singapore, and she was fighting for many of the people's interests by using her weapon, which is her tongue and her mouth and her knowledge, to fight the interests for most of the workers who are treated unfairly in Singapore. So I really want to say thank you to her for building a role model to me. Yeah, so I hope that she knows it and she can hear me.
I hope that one day we will not need anymore to have this day, because I mean every year we do, right? We still need it. So I really hope that one day we will not have any more International Day, because it will be just, yeah.
Be strong, and you are strong. Continue to be confident.
Just fight for what you want. Give your everything. Don't listen to the people that tell you cannot do this, or you are not capable to do this, or boys are better doing this. Don't listen to them. Make that as a strength for you, as something to create more passion, like prove them wrong.
Honestly, to my colleagues, my lady colleagues, whatever expectations society have against women, and it's not something that you should actually put expectation on yourself. If you think you can go higher than what you think you can, I am all for it. Go for it. Don't give up. Get stronger. I won't say be strong. You guys are strong enough. That's it. Yeah.
I would like to see them be confident that if they choose a profession that maybe has not traditionally had very many women in it, like engineering. My hometown is a big engineering hometown because it's the global headquarters of a giant engine company that makes engines for ships and planes and stuff all over the world. And they struggle to recruit female engineers. And they recruit from all over the world, and it's not unusual that when you see the female engineers, where are they from? They're from China, they're from India, because those countries maybe are a little bit more open to girls feeling like they can succeed in that field. And so, anyway, I just think that anything we can do to encourage our kids to be scientists and engineers and be successful in careers that they don't normally see themselves in is a great thing. And it just makes the world a better place.
I remember there's this Mao Zedong has a saying that women holds up half the sky, and I do believe what he says. Women rocks.